Winegard Trav'ler Pro sheath cable replacement. To replace the Trav'ler Pro sheath cable, you will need a 9/64 Allen wrench, a 7/16 wrench, and wire cutters. Begin by putting the IDU into service mode. Hold the power button to enter the IDU menu. Press the stow button 3 times to put the asterisk on service mode. Press the power button. Press the power button again to confirm. Allow the antenna to raise off the roof to its max elevation. On the roof, cut the zip ties securing the cable to the feed arm and lift arm. Remove the 2 9/64 Allen screws securing the LMB in place. Be careful not to lose the 9/64 nuts for the Allen screws. Slide the LMB out of the feed arm adapter. Disconnect the sheath cable from the LMB using the 7/16 wrench. Set the LMB and hardware to the side. Disconnect the sheath cable from the turret using the 7/16 wrench. Pull the cable out of the arm assembly. Locate the zip ties on the replacement sheath cable. They will be approximately 14 inches from one end of the cable. Feed the opposite end of the cable up through the arm assembly. Connect the LMB to the sheath cable. For DirecTV, only the red heat shrink cable connects to the LMB. The black cable will be capped with the white cap and folded down, then secured to the feed arm. For Dish, connect the red heat shrink cable to port 1 and the black cable to port 2. Tighten until finger tight, then use a 7/16 wrench to tighten a quarter turn more. Slide the LMB into the feed arm adapter and reinstall the 9/64 Allen screws and nuts. Connect the red heat shrink cable to the bottom port on the turret and the black cable to the top port. Tighten until finger tight, then use a 7/16 wrench to tighten a quarter turn more. Pull the excess cable slack through the bottom of the feed arm assembly. Secure the cable to the feed arm and lift arm using new zip ties. The IDU needs to be put back into normal mode to operate the antenna. Hold the power button to enter the IDU menu. With the asterisk on normal mode, press the power button. You have successfully installed the Trav'ler Pro replacement sheath cable. If you need assistance, please contact Winegard customer support.